Hey guys, welcome back to Out Your Mountain. Today we're going to be sawing up some pine on the sawmill, so y'all stay with us.
Here we go, girls. We're going to cut a tree down. Here we go. It's work day. Y'all excited?
Today we've got this small pine just off our driveway that broke off in one of our spring rainstorms or windstorms. And so it's not real big. I don't think we can get any posts or beams out of it, but we might be able to get some 2x6s or some 2x lumber out of it. So we're gonna go ahead and finish it off here, take it to the sawmill and see what we can get out of it. So here's where it just kind of broke off in our windstorm. We think it's still good. It looks pretty straight. So we're gonna see what kind of lumber we can get out of this.
How many feet's that?
There's 16.
Okay.
That right there.
So how much does it taper after this 16?
It does taper down some, but even to right here, it's still pretty good size. We could get some lumber out of it. I don't know if we can get a 12. Starts getting small kind of after this knot. So first I'm gonna mark it here at the 16-foot mark, go down and cut it at the 10-foot log, and then go back up to the stump and cut it off there. I've got this little tree that's going to kind of hold it off of me, so I'm going to cut it from this side, and it should slide down this tree and not back on me. So. So I'm gonna chain this to the tractor and pull this out to where I can at least get a 16-foot length out of it, and then cut it off and take it to the sawmill. I'd like to not drag it behind the tractor just to keep the gravel and dirt off the log. That's kind of hard on the saw blades. So we're gonna try to carry it up the road 16 feet. The road's not really 16 feet wide, so it's gonna be kind of interesting carrying this really long log up the road. We'll see how it goes. So the way we've got this log in here right now in the grapple, it's kind of cockeyed, but we're going to try to carry it up the road that way. It won't take up as much space on the 16-foot width, and our road's not that wide, so we'll see what we can do. See if it'll carry it all the way up there like that. This may be an adventure.
We don't have too far to go, so hopefully that'll ride.
So that will just leave enough room to cut this. It is like, we've got 2 or 3 inches to play with, but that's about it. This is pretty much the capacity of our saw. A little over 17 feet, but hey, it'll work. out of that small 16-foot log, we were able to get 3 16-foot 2x6s. So one of those is a full 2-inch rough lumber size. The other two are both kind of dressed lumber size, 1.5 inches thick, 6 inches wide. And for our woodshed, we think we need 21 16-foot 2x6s. We think we have 14 already cut and stacked. And so this gives us 3 more. We're kind of inching up on our 21. We just need to find another log. If you like watching our videos, hit the subscribe button, click the like button, send us some comments, and share it with a friend. And we'll see you next time on Ouch Mountain.